Hello there again. Well, now that we have these grinded off, now we're going to use a ratcheting wrench to remove these bolts and nuts off the chairs so we can get them apart, get them out of the weather and get them stored. And then I'll sand them down with 400 sandpaper, give them a nice coat of polyurethane, and they'll be ready. Alright, here we go. The top one came off. So look at this bottom one. Gotta grind a little more. Alright, now we gotta use a little leverage. Carefully slip the screwdriver in behind the steel bracket so as not to do any more damage to the wood, and just give her a little twist. And I'll put stress on it enough to hold that bolt in place. Hopefully we'll get it apart here. There she comes. Alright, she's off. These are trash. Trying to locate a supplier for the exact same copper coated boat that they used before. Let's try these. That one's coming off. There we go. Alright. Trash. These, the wood on these is just gorgeous. Sand in. That's beautiful. Alright, we'll do more later.